if you want to set up a VPN on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all what you can do is you can open settings. Now once you go to settings, then over here we're gonna proceed to network and internet, and then in here we're gonna find the VPN option. In here you can create your own VPN profile, or you can connect to a VPN server if you have all the necessary data. So if you press this plus in the upper right corner, then you should be able to fill everything that you have related to the VPN connection, and you should be able to save the profile, and then you should be able to start using it. Of course, there is actually an easy way to start using VPN in general. Like for example, you can get a dedicated VPN app. So if you go to the Play Store, then you should be able to simply search for a VPN in the store. And as you can see, there are many different VPN apps that of course you can try. Most of them are free, or they offer some free features. Most of the time they also have like premium versions, so if you decide to of course purchase like a premium version, then that is completely fine, but most of the time you can also use a free version of the VPN service. Now in my case I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is very straightforward. But like I said, feel free to try anything else, any other VPN app that you can find in the Play Store, and maybe you can find your favorite one. Although these apps are fairly similar, sometimes they have like different offers, or they offer different features when using the app for free. So of course another app might be more suitable in your case. So let's just open the app, and in here thankfully we don't have to even create an account, so we can just continue as a guest over here. Then you might see a premium offer. But of course we can just tap on not now over here below in order to continue. Then you should be able to connect to a random server. At least in this case we can connect to a random server, and there we go. Now I'm connected to the Netherlands, so now my VPN is in use. Now there are some VPN apps that allow you to choose to which country you want to connect to, and in some cases if you use the app for free, unfortunately you cannot choose, so this actually depends on the app itself. And like I said, these apps varies with some of these features. But also you can check out some of the settings, so in case you need to make some adjustments, or if you want to check out something, if you can do something with your VPN app, then of course most of the time you can just check out settings to find out what exactly you have access to. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.